Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll look at a case study of how Paint Your Life converted 28.5% of visitors with page-level targeting. Paint Your Life creates unique, hand-painted artwork from photos provided by customers. They offer artwork in various styles including oil, charcoal, watercolor, pastel, pencil, and acrylic. Paint Your Life turned to OptinMonster to grow their email list, which is one of the most important ways that they reach their customers. One of Paint Your Life's most successful campaigns was a Lightbox pop-up where they were able to capture more leads by showing relevant offers to the right audience. They did this by using page-level targeting, which shows specific campaigns according to the web pages that the visitors are on. So how can you too create a page-level targeting campaign? It's simple. In your OptinMonster dashboard, choose your campaign type and the template that fits your design needs, such as a holiday template that can be targeted to holiday shoppers. Next, you'll need to name your campaign and you can start building. In the drag and drop builder, you can easily make any design changes you need to your campaign, such as changing the headlines, colors, fonts, images, and more. Once you're happy with your design and offer, we'll go to display rules to make sure that this is a page-level targeting campaign. Under display rules, we'll go to if current URL path contains, and here you'll need to adapt this to the URL path that you would like your campaign to show on. For example, in our holiday campaign, we'll make sure the current URL path contains holiday, sales, and offers. We'll make sure to delete any default display rules, and we'll click Next Step. Make sure to show the opt-in view and confirm that the display rules are correct in the summary. In the Integrations tab, you'll need to connect to your email marketing service provider, and under Analytics, you'll need to connect to your Google Analytics to track your campaign's conversions. Finally, we'll go to the Publish tab, where we will toggle from paused to live and follow the embed instructions for our web platform. Following this exact strategy, Paint Your Life was able to increase their email signups by 28.57% with page-level targeting. Paint Your Life also captured 3.64% of visitor signups using targeted pop-ups, and they converted 6.58% of website visitors into email subscribers. And they're not the only ones. WhiteRiver.com doubled their email list using Lightbox and mobile-optimized pop-ups and increased sales 35% since installing OptinMonster. And what will your success story be? Get started with OptinMonster today.